Hi guys, and welcome back. I'm Tanya and this is Creations with Tanya. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday. I am doing some blooms today. So I have the following colors that I'm going to use. I have TLP, Comet. There's not much left, so I figure why not use it up. And then I have a little bit left of TLP Ballgown. Not much. Scraping the bottom of my little dish here. And I also have Venus, which is also TLP right here. There we go. And I have a Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple that I'm going to use. And I have Pthalo Green Atelier, which I'm also going to use. And for my cell activator, I am going to use Golden Payne's Gray. There we go. And of course, my Glidden Essentiels Interior White Base paint is going to be for my pillow. I'm going to cover the canvas and then let's get to doing some blooms. Alright, I'm back. This time I'm using a 10 by 10 inch canvas and I am going to make the pour a little bit bigger. I'm using the same colors as I did before, and I am going to pour out the pillow paint, spread it, and then put the rest of my colors on and use my hair dryer. So let's go quickly, just to spread it out so easier for the paint to flow and it won't roll over itself. And, bubble. Here we go. Bubbles everywhere. There we go. Good. Just so it goes a little bit, maybe I should put a little bit more pillow paint on there. Just a little. Not much. Alright, that's good. Get to put the paint on there. So I'm going to do it the same as I did the last one and see how that goes. Again, Dioxazine Purple from Liquitex Basics. And then Comet, and whatever is left in my Ballgown, which in the last video you could tell there wasn't much, so let's hope that I can get some nice shimmer from what I have left. Here we go. And then the Pthalo green by Atelier. And then it will be Venus by this little Piggy. Any color combinations that everyone's working on? I'd like to know. I'd like to hear how your acrylic pouring is going. What do you like most about acrylic pouring? And I have my Payne's Gray by Glidden. I need a little bit more. Oops, that definitely was not supposed to happen. Whoopsie. All right. I will mute this and hair dryer's on high and cool. Let's blow this out. Alright, and it looks like the Payne's Gray is all in the center. I'm gonna have to blow with my straw. And then we'll see what happens. I'm blowing too hard. This is not good. Pillow paint. All right, guess we'll spin it. And see what happens. Maybe Payne's Gray is not a good idea. Maybe it's too thin. I don't know. I really like the Venus. It's so pretty. All right. I don't like the center. I screwed up, guys. I don't like this center here. And why can't this go away? I don't know, guys. Might be a start over one. There we go. I needed to do a hard one. Get some of that paint off. Now we can slow it down. You can see a green under there. The phthalo green. I'm not sure how much paint is on here. Maybe a little bit more. Let's see, what more can we get off? What do you guys think? Keep it? Paint over it? I'll sit on it. I'm gonna take it over, scrape off the sides, and then I will give you a close-up of both of them. All right. I'm not sure how I like it yet. Still on the fence. So we'll start up here. Go across to the right side. Still has that nice sort of wispy watercolor. What do you guys think? I'm not sure. Because it's the middle that I'm not liking. Right there. I'm not sure how I feel because I blew up the pillow paint. And there we go. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.